What up, tubers? Stranger danger, right? Alright, look. I'm just getting out the gym. Your boy down 50 pounds, man. But anyway, I know it's been a while since I've done updates and all that stuff. But just gonna come to y'all with a quick video. Trucks have been good. Y'all can see us right here in the background. I've been riding great. I ain't really been doing much. She really just been chilling. And really the only thing I've been just trying to fix like little knickknacks and stuff. So truck rides are great on 28s. Not as good as it did on the 24s. It was literally factory on the 24s. But it's still one of the best riding trucks and probably one of the best riding lifted trucks out. Like for real, it rides that good. But I just had one little concern that I've been trying to fix. I'm not even gonna say it's concern. I think this is how the truck has always been. But the steering in this Ram, this is a 2011. The steering is always being like super loose. And I let my wife drive it for the first time. Yeah, I had this truck on 28 for this long, and she finally just drove it like 2 weeks ago. And she noticed the same thing. You can tell a little more on the 28s that the steering wheel just feels a little bit looser. And I'm gonna try to fix that. I did some Googling and found some sleeves supposedly that you can put in. Where are they at? There they go. So these little sleeves right here, supposedly you can put in, and it may tighten the steering up a little bit. So I just want to see if that's gonna work. Unfortunately, it is night, so I need to drive the truck first just to see how it is, so that I can get a real good reference on if it's fixed anything. But yeah, I'm just trying to get the steering just a little bit tighter. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this truck has been like this since I've had it. But you know, just something to do. So but yeah, let me flip the camera around. So yeah, I just turned the wheel lights on. But yeah, man, it's here. Got a couple updates I can share with y'all in a later video. But yeah, man, I mean it's here still. Everything is good. But I do want to show y'all really what I'm talking about, and I hope y'all can see this with this LED light. Let me grab it off the porch real quick. So I already seen how I think it's gonna work, but we'll just figure it out. So yep, got the amp set. So if we come down here and look at the steering column, yep, you can see it right there. So when I turn this, if you look closely, and I'm pretty sure this is a factory design, but that little bolt right there has play in it. I think that's from the factory, and I'm pretty sure it's just like a shock absorption measure. But anyway, those sleeves will slide. It's two of them, one on the bottom, one on the top. Those sleeves will slide right in there, and supposedly it'll take that little bit of play out, and you should have a tighter steering wheel. So like I say, it's not gonna be much to see, but yeah, like I say, my steering wheel just feels a little looser than definitely my Lexus and my Explorer. So if I can get it close to my Explorer or something, yeah, we'll see what's up. But like I say, I need to drive the truck first so I have a good reference. And then I'm just going to use a C-clamp to press those two sleeves in down here. Yeah, so they're just going to go right in the middle, right there. And we'll see if the truck is going to tighten up a little bit. So, like I said, I'm going to drive it first, see how that do. And then I'm going to press them in. And I'll probably give y'all an update tomorrow in the daytime. So, yeah, we'll see. Alright, y'all, I'm back. So, see, we're going 65, and I'm coming this way so I can hit some bumps. This bridge is a little rough, but honestly, it don't feel, I mean, it feels pretty tight right now. I don't know, maybe I've just been tripping. So here we go. Oh, that bridge is rougher than I thought, but I wanted to hit it at full speed without slowing down. So yeah, man, up here's another one right here. It's pretty rough. Rougher than I thought it was. But anyway, like I said, I got a feel for how it is now. As you can see, I'm going 65. Pretty good gas mileage, 15 miles a gallon. That's about right. My speedometer is basically correct. So yeah, man. So I just want to see how it is now, and then I'll put the sleeves in, and we'll see how what I'm trying to show y'all. So if we look, my steering wheel don't shake. Let me see if I can turn this light on. Yeah, my steering wheel is not shaking. I'm going, see how fast I'm going. No steering wheel shake. Cups is not shaking. None of that. So truck rides is best as you probably want for a lifted truck, especially if you want to be on 28s. But like I said, I just want to see if I can tighten the steering a little bit. But honestly, it's not bad at all right now. So yeah, we'll get these sleeves in. I'm gonna give y'all an update tomorrow in the daytime, so you can see like the steering wheel and all that stuff. But yeah, I got a good feel for the before, and we'll see how the after is. All right, so you can see the 2 sleeves is out now. And all I'm going to do, let's see if I can get y'all up here. Nope, probably not. Right. So anyway, I'm just going to put these 2 sleeves up in the joint right there, and I'm going to use a C-clamp to compress them. Can't show y'all this because I only got one hand, but it should be fairly straightforward. So let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so got the sleeves installed. You can see it there. So we're gonna take it for a test drive. Like I say, I'll show y'all tomorrow in the daytime. Honestly, you can actually see pretty good right now. It's that voltage. Ooh-wee. But anyway, so I'm about to take it for another drive to figure out, you know, what's up, so I can give y'all an honest opinion of it, and then yeah, we'll see if it helps. Oh my God, y'all, this is it right here. I don't even got to wait for a video in the daytime. This is it. Definitely got that slop taking out the steering wheel. Some people were saying that, you know, it takes that shock absorption away, so it's gonna be harsh on the bumps. Now we had them same 2 bumps right here, where it's pretty bad here. Man, that just sounds better. But yeah, this steering wheel it feels connected to the road now. Yeah, there's probably no need no video tomorrow. Here go this bad one right here. Yeah, this is perfect. Like, this steering wheel is tight, no shaking still. I flip the light on for y'all. Hold on. There we go. Now the light is on. You can see no shaking in the steering wheel at all. Nothing. And I'm going the same speed, just under 70. You can look here. No shaking of the cups, none of that stuff. So yeah, man, this truck is on 28s and 37s. And it rides great. So yeah, man, look at that. I don't have my hand on the steering wheel or nothing. I'm going up a hill now, but yeah, no need for a video in the daytime. It's pretty simple install. Like I say, I linked the part that I purchased down below. But yeah, I think it was $8 or $9. It took 2 minutes to install, and man, it got me riding perfect. This is everything that I wanted it to be. Now I realize I need a alignment, but that's coming up. It's time for Florida Classic, so I'm gonna get the alignment, do my wheel bearings, well, do my wheel hubs, and I think that's all the maintenance this truck needs. But yeah, man, I'm good. Like I say, $8 did everything that I wanted to do. There is no slop in the steering wheel now. When you move it, it turns. So yeah, man, like I said, I just want to drop y'all see if y'all can see me a little bit. So yeah, just want to drop y'all a quick video, just something that I'm doing to my truck. So I think this is for definitely all 4th gen Ram. So if you got a loose filling steering wheel, then try these little $8 spacers out. See if that gives you what you need. Like, man, I got no complaints at all. So, but anyway, just popping in. I know it's been a while since I did a video, and you know, if I find something interesting to do, I'll share it with y'all. But until then, peace out. I'll holler at you later.